In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up OneDrive sync and backup automatically in Windows 10. This will only take about 5 minutes, and by the end you'll have a seamless way to ensure your important files are protected and accessible from anywhere. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to locate the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray. If you're not immediately familiar with it, it usually resides in the bottom right corner of your screen, near the clock and other background applications. Right click on the icon to bring up a short menu, and from there click on Settings. This will open up a new window where we can make all the necessary adjustments. Once you are in the Settings window, find the Settings tab. This is where many of the core configurations for OneDrive are managed, and from here you can customize your OneDrive experience to better fit your needs. We are particularly interested in the Sync and Backup tab today, so go ahead and click on that to continue. In the Sync and Backup section, you will see an option labeled Manage Backup. Click on this. This is where you can choose which of your folders will be backed up to OneDrive. You'll notice toggle switches next to your folders. Simply toggle on, or enable, the folders you want to be part of the backup routine. If you're aiming for a specific selection rather than a broad backup of all folders, this is where you can tailor it. Conversely, if you want to stop backing up a folder, just toggle it off. This kind of flexibility is incredibly useful for managing storage space and focusing on what's important to you. Once you've selected which folders you want to back up, make sure you click Save Changes to ensure all your settings are properly applied. This action will initiate the backup process for the folders you've decided upon, so take a moment to confirm everything looks right before proceeding. Now, if you have specific folders on your computer that you want to sync with OneDrive but don't necessarily want to back up, you'll want to move over to the Account tab. In there, you'll find an option called Choose Folders. This is essentially where you can handpick the folders that OneDrive will sync across your devices without committing these folders to full backup. Simply check or uncheck the folders you wish to sync. Once you've made your choices, click OK to save these settings. This will ensure that only your selected folders are synced, keeping everything organized and in sync across your devices. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to set up OneDrive to automatically sync and back up your necessary files in Windows 10. This feature not only offers peace of mind,